Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my leftover Italian bolognese pasties. I really don't have a name for it, but these are really good. Let's get on with it. Right, first thing I've got is a little bit of leftover bolognese that I made my bolognese stuffed loaded potatoes, and I'm not going to waste that. Let's use this up. So first thing you need to do, quickly make a bolognese. Go back and watch the video where I make my Italian bolognese loaded potatoes. Alright, really easy, quick little dish to do. Alright, we've got a little bit of leftover. So a little bit of leftover potato, I've cut that up into nice little chunks, alright, just like that. And I've started adding prematurely some frozen vegetables. Right, just frozen mixed veg. Put that straight in, just like that. They're already blanched, they're sort of already around about 5% cooked. Alright, we're just going to cook these all off, just like I'm doing right there. Really easy to do. A little bit of flour. Now, what I'm doing with the flour, I'm actually thickening up all those juices to try and make a little bit of a gravy. Alright, and once that flour mixes through with all those juices, it's going to thicken up and make up a really nice, simple gravy. It's a real quick and easy way to do it. If you want to add a particular gravy into it, I wouldn't bother. It's going to make it too wet. Right, pre-bought puff pastry. I'm not going to make this stuff. It takes too long. Make sure it's nice and pliable. So I'm just going to cut these in half, just like that. And they're around about 400 millimeters in squareness or length. Right, so I've just cut those in half, and I'm going to add in a little bit of our filling, just like I'm doing there, just on one side. And make sure you leave a little bit of room on all the edges, so we can crimp this up and make these nice and tight. Alright, so just load those up just nicely. Don't have to go too hard, you don't have to go too little. You want a Goldilocks moment on this one, so it's just right. Right, so I'm going to fill those up. I'm just going to fold these over just like that, and make sure you get rid of that blue paper, because if you bake that blue paper, it does not taste good. Believe me, I have tried. Right, press down all those edges as best as you possibly can, just like I'm doing right there. And I'm going to use a fork, or the back of the fork, and I'm just going to crimp those up really simply. If you want to do a fancy pleat, hey, go for it. Believe me, this is just nice, quick and simple. We're just using some leftovers up from last night. Our oven is already on. We've got that preheating up nicely. So that fork is also going to give it a nice decorative edge. Poke a couple of holes in the top to let any steam out. We want these nice and crunchy and fluffy. Alright, so just repeat the process all over again until we have run out of filling. Right, I'm going to make a few of these. So if you haven't tried using leftovers in this way before, you don't know what you're missing, because it's really easy. Right, I'm going to give all of these a little bit of an egg wash on top, just like that. You can see the little holes in the top for that steam to evaporate. Right, oven 180 degrees. They're going in. They're going to take around about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they look like that. How good do they look? Serve that up with a few fries. Make it a what we used to call Fat Ass Friday. Just a real nice, simple little meal. Love to see you try and make these ones at home. They are really easy to do, and it's a great way to use up some of your leftovers. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. please hit that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn a nice little kitchen hack just like this one, how you can use up some leftovers, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you will never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my leftover Italian style pasties and I will catch you next time. Bye.